Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use MetaMask extension on Kiwi Browser. Only way. Start by enabling extensions in Kiwi settings, then open the Chrome web store inside Kiwi and search for MetaMask. Install the extension and accept permissions, then pin the MetaMask icon to the toolbar so you can access it quickly while browsing and using dApps. Create or import a wallet after installing MetaMask in Kiwi by selecting Create a new wallet or import using your 12 or 24-word seed phrase. Choose a strong password and securely record your recovery phrase offline on paper, then store it in a safe place. Never share your seed phrase or type it into websites, and only use official MetaMask prompts to reveal it when absolutely necessary. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable, durable, and hilariously overbuilt for crypto keyboard warriors. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When connecting MetaMask to decentralized apps in Kiwi, always review the connection pop-up and requested permissions before approving. Switch the network inside MetaMask to match the dApp's requirements and double-check token addresses and contract approvals. For every transaction, inspect gas fees and the recipient address carefully, then confirm only when you are certain, and consider using small test transactions for new contracts or unfamiliar sites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.